build a portfolio website for finding online marketing jobs. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own portfolio website to find different marketing jobs. So let's get into it. Now, I am using Wix over here and I have signed into my account. Now, what you're going to do is the first thing that you do is you're going to enter what kind of website you're looking to create. So we're looking to create a general portfolio, and I'm just going to click on next over here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can customize your own website according to the kind of marketing jobs that you're looking for. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing is that I don't want any of these widgets on my website, so I'm just going to skip these ahead and I'm going to go on to the template. So I'm going to click on edit a template over here, and I'm going to begin with editing a template to start creating my own website. Now, you can see that there are different general portfolio templates available on Wix, and you can use one of these templates to customize, or if you want to start from scratch, you can go on to blank templates over here and then just pick out these simple templates and then add your own kind of sections onto it. Now, what I'm going to do is I am actually going to go into the all template section, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for portfolio, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to browse some of these templates over here. And you can see there are quite a few different options that you have. Now, if you want, you can continue, but I am going to go within the blank template section. And what I'm going to do in the blank template section is that I'm going to click on start from scratch. And you might be wondering, am I crazy? There were such pretty portfolios and templates available. Why don't I just edit one of those? Now, I do recommend for beginners that you could find an online marketing job easily by, editing one of these templates and making it your own. But the reason that I'm doing this longer method is to actually be able to customize my portfolio for the job listings that I'm finding. So if I'm finding a job listing for a digital marketer that specializes in social media, then I want to be able to provide that on my portfolio. So I'm just going to wait for their website editor to load over here. So now my website editor has been loaded. This is, a simple little home page, and I'm going to begin creating my own portfolio website for digital marketing. So it could be any kind of marketing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this add section over here on your left. So on your left, you have these different navigation panels or buttons where you can add different stuff onto your website. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to add some text, and I'm going to go into the text section, and I am going to scroll down, and you're going to be able to see these different kind of texts. And I'm going to take the bold title text, and I'm just going to add that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit the text to say Tina's digital portfolio, and I'm going to take this text and I'm just going to drag it to the top, and I'm just going to attach it to the header. So anyone that visits my website knows that this is my actual portfolio. So once I have added that over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the background a color. So you can see it says change page background, or it says design. So you can just click on design and you can edit that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of color, and I'm going to add some black because I don't want to make my website theme it's not professional. I want to keep it as minimalistic yet as impactful as possible. So what I'm going to do over here is that I'm going to go back and click on add, and I'm going to click on strip over here, and I'm just going to add like a simple strip over here where I'm going to the services section, and I'm going to take this little box and I'm just going to add it over here. And once I have done that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manage the columns. Now I want to reduce the size of this, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it slightly smaller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the aspect views to page instead of margin. And once it is on the page section, I'm just going to click on over here. I'm going to make it screen size, and the margins are like this, but I'm going to close up the margins a bit to make it slightly more narrow because I want this to fit very nicely. So once I have added this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the longitudinal size as well. And once I have fit in the size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it right below Tina's digital portfolio like this. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage columns, and I'm going to detail each of these pages to a separate little section. So the first column, actually I'm going to remove column number 4, I'm going to keep like 3 columns. I don't think I need like 4 columns. It seems a bit excessive. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on over here. I'm going to add some text called idea generation, and then I'm going to remove the bottom text, and I'm going to add, after that I have my experience, and I'm going to remove the bottom text and design. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my pages section over here. I'm going to click on manage pages, and I'm going to create 3 new pages. One is going to be called idea generation, then experience, and design, and each of these will be linked onto these columns over here. So I'm just going to add page, and I'm going to add a blank page, and within your page then you're going to add all of your ideas, you're going to add all of your previous experiences you have, and any kind of stuff that you have done as a marketer, you're going to add that over here. So I'm just going to add idea generation, add page, then I'm going to add another page, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rename this page. So I'm just going to click on manage pages over here, and I will rename this. I will go into this section, and I will just click on over here to rename, and I'm going to add this as experience. So just going over here, renaming my page, experience, and then I'm going to add my final page called ideas, or my final page could be, you know, whatever the initial columns that I created. So I'm going to go back onto my home page. I'm just going to double check with the initial column. So I have my design page in which I will actually display all of my marketing designs. So I can rename this into marketing design. And I'm just going to click on done over here. So after adding all of my pages, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my experience section, and you can see I just added a blank page, and now I'm just going to click on add over here, and I am going to click on the text section, and you can scroll down and find different types of text. Now I'm just going to take this kind of like paragraph text, and I'm going to add it over here. I'm going to click on edit text, and then I'm going to click on the color. I'm going to change it to white, and then I'm going to place it right over here. So I'm just going to change the position of my text, and just like that, you know, you're going to add all of your experience. So, you know, XYZ experience, whatever kind of experience you have, you're just going to add that over here. If you have any previous job experience where you can link it, you have any website, you have some marketing campaign that's going on, you can link those as well within your pages. And this is how easy it is to create your little portfolio for marketing. And then once you do that, you're just going to click on publish. You're going to add your domain name. So I'm going to add Tina's marketing portfolio, and I'm just going to click on save and continue. And now I have my portfolio live with a free website that is being hosted for free, and that has a free domain name as well. So it is now being published, and you can see it has been published. If I click on view site over here, I have this gorgeous looking website ready. And if I click on any of these sections, I can just go on and browse within the pages themselves. Obviously, I haven't added anything to the pages, so they're empty currently, but you know, you can browse them later on, and you can also preview. And you know, this is kind of out of alignment, so we can fix a little tiny things like that in the preview version as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.